get to the next sign, which is Virgo. But Virgo, you know what I'm saying? My stepbrother Virgo. So, Virgos, let's talk about y'all. How y'all is, you know what I'm saying? Domain is within around August 20th to September 20th. This is the 6th house, and the symbol is the mating. You know what I'm saying? Mutable earth sign. What that mutable mean? You know what I'm saying? Tell me, like Dora the Explorer, what does this mean? Mutable. It means you're liable to change, baby. Let's get this into your head. They grounded, they stable, they reserved, and they stubborn, just like that Taurus. That's that earth sign. But they rule by Mercury, which rules Wednesday, as we know, which is associated with communication. So these Virgos are gonna be thinkers. These Virgos are gonna be talking. You know what I'm saying? Like, or you know, they're not gonna talk as much as an air sign, but they're gonna be, you know what I'm saying, wanting to express and you know what I'm saying, get understanding, just like us all, but more so for them, because that Mercury, man, I like Mercury, because, you know what I'm saying, communication is a huge thing for me. So let's get into this. Virgos are loyal, analytical, practical. Remember I said them Virgos are some thinkers? Being that Mercury, I'm telling you, the Mercury is strong with this one. Analytical, practical, worried, you know what I'm saying, overcritical. Y'all be overthinking. Y'all think a little too much, Virgos. Calm down, okay? I know y'all hardworking. I know y'all attentive to detail, but y'all thinking a little bit too much. Y'all overflowing y'all mind. Y'all logical, methodical. Y'all got methodology to what y'all doing. Y'all don't just do something to do it. That's that Mercury. That's that Virgo being the thinker, communicator. That's that Mercury energy. Nonchalant, you know what I'm saying? They could be nonchalant and they could be organized. So you prone to expressing these energies, Virgos. Now, y'all likes animals. People don't like animals. Y'all crazy, man. Or maybe not crazy, but y'all different. I don't know how you cannot like animals. Books, nature, and cleanliness. Man, my stepbrother, man, that dude always talk about some cleanliness. I'll tell you that. Virgos, man. Dislikes asking for help, taking center stage. I know a Virgo really hate asking for help, man. That's my stepbrother all day. Compatible with Pisces and Cancer. These being what, water signs? I'm pretty sure Cancer and Pisces is water signs. So, you know, water signs being emotional. It seems like the earth signs and the water signs, like, you know what I'm saying, click up with each other. That's all I'm saying. Like, I'm just noticing that. Like, the earth signs and the water signs, you know what I'm saying? The emotions and then, you know, being grounded and all that. Yeah, I see what's going on.